G'day there, folks. Today we're going to be talking about tax. Exciting stuff. So firstly, what is tax? Well, it's a compulsory fee charged to our government made from various sources designed to contribute to the maintaining and development of facilities, infrastructure, and services on a local, state, and federal level. Not all tax is meant to directly affect individuals, yet still somehow indirectly does. Kinda sucks, eh? The most common form of tax is income tax. This is paid by workers directly from their pay every paycheck. These payments are merely an estimate of a yearly contribution. At the end of the year, the taxpayer will get back or pay more tax based on a more accurate representation of their year to date. So what does this mean? Well, the more a person works and therefore earns, the more a person is taxed. This can drain incentive to work more, as any additional income gained through work will be lost regardless. Here's a short breakdown of where income tax actually goes. A second type of tax is GST. This goods and service tax is currently set at a flat 10% rate. Now everyone will pay this, whether they're aware of it or not. Once again, this type of tax inflates the prices of consumers' wants and needs, decreasing their chances of attaining such things and forcing them to pay more for whatever it is that they do purchase. A third tax type is company tax. This tax is aimed towards companies and their profits. Similar to GST, it's a flat rate, currently set at 30%, and taken from a company's net profits. Whilst on the outside this tax doesn't affect individuals, unfortunately, it still does. How, you ask? Well, the higher a profit, the higher tax paid, and unfortunately, that trickles down to the employees. This tax can affect the attractiveness of business investments, ultimately meaning a potential lower production of goods and services, requiring less output per worker, but lower wages and less jobs required. So yeah, it's not very fun either.
As a small business owner, I would like to see more money saved rather than collected. I would like to see focus on getting people who are on the dole employed and trained. A way of doing this could be achieved by allowing an employee to pay the difference between the dole and the minimum wage for unskilled work. This subsidy will act as a win-win situation because the person on the dole gains work experience and employment, while the employer receives employees at a lower cost of labour, allowing them to be more profitable, therefore inject more money into the economy through taxes. This will also help reduce economic pressure in the future as the people gain experience needed to become skilled employees. These employees' experience will accumulate and eventually allow the employer to justify them being on a full wage. This will also create a more efficient tax system because more money is being fed back into the economy, allowing employees to spend more money and boosting the economy, and therefore putting less strain on the tax system to make revenue, and as a result lead to more efficient tax system.